My husband is a rocket scientist, and even he is sick and tired of all the hype and FOMO around tech stocks. Look at this headline. Motherboard shipments plummeted by 10 million units in 2022. Oh my God, sell your tech stocks! The headline is accurate, but the reason motherboard shipments decreased so much is because during the pandemic, people were stuck at home and were buying a ton of motherboards. Back then, there was a shortage. So this drop is only bringing back the shipments to the pre-pandemic levels. This is how the media use numbers to lie. So what should you do? What stocks should you invest in? I'm the CEO of InvestDiva, and I manage our family's $7 million portfolio. I started with $500. And this is what I do. If you're a long-term investor, focus on the company's fundamentals. And by that, I don't mean their earnings report, the company's talents, their category, the relevancy of their products in the future. And then use the 5 points of the InvestDiva Diamond Analysis to buy at the optimal prices. Follow us to learn more.